So tomorrow racing, in this video I wanted to test out different views that I'm going to be using for the track. Right now I'm using the linear, the digital lens for GoPro. I am wearing my helmet on the street, so I'm probably looking a little bit strange, but I do want to try out to see what it looks like on the street. And then I want to also change out the lenses and see what other lenses look like. By kind of driving on the street, I'll get a good idea of what it will look like. Yeah. So this is the linear, so let's switch to the other one version with Hyperview. This obviously has better view of the whole surrounding area. So with this we can see the steering wheel more, you can see the shifter more, and yeah. Okay, if I look over, you can see the mirror, the peripheral vision more. So I'm kind of considering this version, but we'll see. With this version, I see the digital display a little bit worse, especially like if I'm looking up straight, I'll have to rely on the audio to be able to shift, because I don't see the screen that well, because it's kind of like in the middle of my vision, and kind of it overlaps with both of the eyes. So if I'm looking straight, the digital display is going to be my peripheral vision, so this is going to be interesting. So I don't know, if I focus with one eye, then I can see it, but yeah, it's definitely tricky, so I might have to play around with the angle or something. I do want to try it out. If it isn't in the way, then I'm going to be changing it up. What's important is the temps and the PSI and the torque. Those I can clearly see when I look down, but the speed, RPM, and the gear, I kind of have to shift my head a little bit to one side, then I can see it properly. I don't know. I think for the view, for the actual viewer experience, I think this is probably the best. Alright, so here we go. So I'll try to accelerate and see if I can shift on time. Might be able to make it work. I'm not sure. I have to try it. This is the first time trying this kind of view, so we'll see. Let me try some other lenses. So this is with Superview instead of Hyperview. I'm using Superview. It's also a good test of what the sound of the car will be. Granted, I'm not going track speeds. I'm only going like road highway speeds. But there's still a lot of noise. And if I want to talk in the track, this will also be a good indication of how good it will be. Worst case, I might need to get the media mod or something and then try it out like that. My other option for mounting the GoPro will be to put it on the side of the helmet, like the front side. And I'm not too sure about that either, because then some part of my helmet will be in the view always, and you'll get a side view. You will get a better view of the screen on the right here that has the temperatures and all the other stuff as well. But I have them in the front here. So, but on the right, it has my brake, how much pressure of a brake that I'm pressing, and also the throttle and all the other things. So of course there are some other benefits to using this screen as well. So alright, so we're going to try accelerating here, going into the highway. There is that Nissan over there, so we're going to catch that car up very fast. So tried linear so far, tried Hyperview, right now we're in Superview. I might try wide as well to see what that looks like. I'll do that next time the light turns red. I don't want to do it while driving. Yeah, if I'm looking to the side, it's very easy to see the shift lights. But the sound is very helpful. I think that I'm going to really rely on the sound. This is the wide view. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see some of the details. I can switch to the N mode display to see how some of that stuff looks like. So far, this is what I wanted to show, different views that I wanted to kind of try to to see what it looks like both in video, both with me driving. Let me know which one you like the best. I'm gonna review these after the fact and then kind of decide, and then you'll find out when I go on a track day and I post a video. You'll find out what it looks like, but just let me know which one looks the best. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna have more track prep, like what I'm doing for the track type of videos. If you want to learn more about track setup, how to get ready for the track, or like data logging, all the different things, let me know. I'm happy to share it.